Hey guys and gals, my wedding anniversary just happened a couple days ago. My wife ordered these and they came in late. She actually bought me 2 boxes of this. I'm only going to do one in this video and I'll open the other one later. It's Panini America. Fine autographs of award-winning actors, Bradley Cooper, Sylvester Stallone, Al Pacino, and more. Every box contains at least 4 autos or mem cards on average. So, I'm guessing it's going to be hopefully 2 and 2, maybe a little higher. Don't know. Oh, and the guy that talked about the bracelet, my son gave me this bracelet, so you don't like it, don't watch the video. So, here we go. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 packs. I've opened this Panini America in the past. I don't think I've opened any 2015. So let's see what we got here. Jill Wagner. Oh, she's on that one show. What the heck is it? Wipeout, that's it. I knew it somewhere. And the guy who just quit, Nick Cannon. Filler card and Al Pacino. Josie Davis. Winner's Circle. Oh, Winner's Circle. Sutherland Cruise 2111 Santa Anita handicap winner. I have no idea. I'm guessing it's a woman by the name and a little heart. Must be, it's a jockey, obviously. I'll have to look into it. Pretty cool. Sticker auto, though. Jordan, never heard of her. Lillian Gish, I've heard of her. Filler card. And Shannon Elizabeth, everybody's heard of her. At least the one movie anyhow. So I've got one auto. Gary Owens. Another Winner's Circle. Too bad. I've heard of him. Too bad it wasn't his autograph. And then Biz Marquis. The Biz Never Sleeps. He had that song. Friends. Friends. Couldn't sing a lick. Another filler card. Man, loading up on them filler cards. Cody Simpson. Vince Neil. Guns N' Roses? No, Motley Crue, Guns N' Roses. Paula Abdul. Bond. James Bond, the funny one. Roger Moore. Screen Legends, Lana Turner and Mickey Rooney. Pretty cool. Oh, please. Ah, it's a patch card. Too bad that wasn't an auto. That's still pretty cool, though. And Nick Cannon. Authentic Materials, Al Pacino. Out of $4.99. That's pretty cool. Been cooler if it was autographed, but still pretty cool. So, interesting to see if you get 2 and 2. Oh, DJ Jazzy Jeff and the French Press. Ginger Rogers and Jimmy Stewart. Another patch card. Oh, Ali Larder from a Resident Evil and was it Destination? The one where the first two movies where you cheat death and it comes back to get you. See if it tells you. It doesn't say. That's a pretty cool looking patch for out of $4.99. Pretty cool. That's 2 stars I've heard of for the patch things. So that's a pretty good win, I'd say. The auto, I don't know. So we've got 3. You're supposed to get 4. DB Sweeney. Oh. Freeze frame. Joe Lanio. True Bloods. Magic Mike. Not my type of movie. Still pretty cool. Got a blue of Larder. DJ Cool, I have no idea. Patch card, a fake card. Filler card, there we go. I think Ali Lauder was also that one with the whipped cream in the football movie, if I'm not mistaken. Oz Coolio. Whoops. There we go. Oh, rapper Coolio. That's a pretty good one. Heard of him. Not too shabby. Not too shabby at all. Not my type of music, but I have heard of him. Hulk Hogan. Kelly Rowland. Filler card. Janelle White. Heard of him. 3 packs to go, and I've got 2 autos, 2 patches. So I'm assuming I'm not going to get anything out of the last 3, but we can hope. Jenkins, Robert Mitchum. Believe he was in that Scrooge movie. Coolio Blue. Vince Neil. Die cut, I guess you would call it. Kevin Hart, he's pretty funny. Another filler card. John C. He's a good actor. I like him. Kelly Rowland. No, oh, another auto. And I have heard of her. Very cool. Not too shabby at all. I don't know if I know who that is. Not sure. I'll have to look it up. Betty Davis. They're making a new show with her and Joan Crawford. I just saw advertise. And yo, Adrian. The last pack. 3 autos. 2 patch cards. Not too shabby. And I know everybody but the jockey. Ice, Ice Baby. Dun, 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 dun. Pretty in Pink. There's the jockey. Paula Abdul. Very cool. Filler card. And to close it out. Thanks for watching, guys. And I'll talk at you later.